Sadly, we decided to leave this island paradise, which was not so heavenly looking today. But it would be a downwind sail for about 12 to 14 hours, and everything was functioning with Galopin just fine. Well, my autopilot is messed up again. The gears, I just heard them. Let go. And I thought it would hold, but these huge waves before, wind on our backs, just something really wrong with that part. I wanted to buy one before I left, an extra one, and they were on order. So now, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to order a part and wait it out. But who's complaining? Look at this. I'm not steering. Galopin is on his own. Got bungee power on. They're holding the helm steady. And I got the mainsail up with just a sliver of Genoa taut on both sides to help steer straight. As long as there's 10 knots or so of wind, and we're running straight downwind, we're holding our course. And right on bearing also. I'm a fucking genius again. And all you wind vane prophets out there, bless you all. You believe in your vanes. I'm happy with my setup, even though it sucks sometimes. I just don't want a wind vane there cluttering up my stern. I need my stern open to get on and off of my boat, which I do a lot more than long sailing passages. And I was heading straight downwind. Wind vanes don't steer great downwind. But look at us. I may be a friggin' genius, but Galopin's the goddamn star here. Once again, I'm dealing with this autopilot gear problem. Has not been resolved. There's something wrong with the part that they give, the manufacturing or something, and it just, look, how come half of this thing is worn down and the other half not? How come they give you gears that are this big that fit in here, but don't fit this? Because they're too long. Something wrong, and I'm kind of stuck here. I can't get apart, so I've devised a solution. Since half of these gears, half of these teeth in the gear are all fucked up, I decided to turn the thing around. Had to adapt it a little bit, and look, turned it around, and the gears will be working on these teeth. And technically, it should work. So, check this out. I'm a fucking genius. Looks like it'll work. Genius. Huh? We're here in Dakar Senegal. About to eat something nice.
Cabo.
Hola, gents. We're here so Wendy can get a ferry back to San Vicente. She has to go take care of her little boy Clay there for the summer. He's gonna be off, and it's good for her and Clay there. Me, I'm gonna continue on and sail around and meet her up later. What's amazing here is that when you eat seafood, the guys fish it right out there. They bring it to the ladies here, cut it up, bring it over here to eat. It's never been frozen, never been wrapped up. It couldn't be fresher than just coming right here, man. Amazing.
This fish does stop.
That would be our last meal together. Wendy, you had a ferry to catch, and I had a good weather window.
For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem. Open my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my hearty, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, and me I feel act when I see you blushing, girl you put me on.
Apresenta-nos amigli.
Emmanuel, as little Jimmy Emmanuel, no considero.
Condemo Benli, gents condemo Benli, spia Emmanuel. Het op en dat het two causes. Really cool, really cool. Well, here's to you, Wendy. Wow.
Where my thing dey? Tile, where my thing dey? Pull it on, I'ma get, pull it on, baby girl, tell me where we dey. Oh nah, I pick up, I do that. You see me, you can dey for me, pick up.
Making our way back here.
You do it, for this level, me no get problem. Open my damn so.
Man, I was at Wendy's there. So cool.
You see my hearty, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, and me I feel act when I see you blushing, girl you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I like you like me too. Cool I been there, I say na kuma livade. Then you pull it on, I'ma get pull it on, baby girl tell me where we dey. Where my thing dey? Tile, where my thing dey? Pull it on, I'ma get pull it on, baby girl tell me where we dey. Oh nah, I pick up, I do that. You see me, you can dey for me pick up. I lure it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem. Open my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my hearty, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, and me I feel act when I see you blushing, girl you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you, you like me too. Girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you.
How lucky I have been to sail around this amazing country with such a beautiful person. A bientôt. See you soon. Hasta pronto, Wendy. Here we are. I left Santiago, Tarrafal. Wendy's going back to see her son, take care of some business over there with her son, and I decided to go to Dakar. She needs to take care of things over there, and I decided, well, I don't want to hang out in Santiago all alone. I need some stuff to do on Galopin, so we're going to Dakar, just me and Galopin. Should be there in about 3.5 days. But weather looks pretty cool, tranquilo. Not too much wind, not too much waves, that's the main thing. So, everything seems to be working okay now, the autopilot. Just have a problem with my wind meter, it's not reading the wind right. Always something. Okay, so now the wind meter is screwed. Good thing we replaced the Windex up there. Just a few more hours of motor sailing, close reach until we get around the island of Mayo. It's going to be great, or so I thought. Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Wendy Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.